bar magnet as a magnetic dipole and its dipole moment. So we consider a bar magnet and we define a magnetic dipole. So before going to the bar magnet and its dipole moment, let me revise the electric dipole and dipole moment. So we had like this, plus Q and minus Q separated by a small distance, and we have already called this distance as A and A. So this is my electric dipole, isn't it? Electric dipole, and the electric dipole moment P is equal to Q, okay, into the distance between the two charges, that is 2A. So this was my electric dipole moment. So this is electric dipole moment. Okay. So now let me come to the magnetic dipole first. So what is dipole? That is, di means two and poles means the end. Similarly, we have got a bar magnet and we have got the two poles, that is north pole and south pole. So this magnet can be called as a magnetic dipole. Okay. So magnetic dipole is a system of a bar magnet. Okay. A small bar magnet separated by a small distance. Okay. So this distance may be called as, so A and A, so that is my midpoint. So again I am calling the distance between this north pole and south pole is 2A, right? So this is my north pole, that is my south pole. Now you know that in bar magnet the magnetic field goes out from the north pole, okay, goes out from the north pole and enters into the south pole. Okay, so this is how the magnetic field lines look like. Everyone knows this. Okay, so here it is going in this direction, here it is going in this direction, and the outside, okay, the magnetic field direction outside the bar magnet, it's from south pole to north pole, but sorry, north pole to south pole, but inside the bar magnet it is from, this is very important concept. Okay, so this is like this. Okay, isn't it? Can you say this? So you have to write a note. Inside the bar magnet, the magnetic field line goes from south pole to north pole and it forms a closed loop that you have already studied in class 10. So similar to this one, I should have a magnetic dipole moment, isn't it? So before going to that, see, this is my charge and instead of charge I have got the poles. So at the poles there will be a magnetic strength. So I will call that magnetic strength as M, small letter m. Okay. So this M is, what is this? This is my pole strength. Okay, you have to remember this. Pole strength, or sometimes it can also be called as magnetic pole strength. Okay, so you can also call this as magnetic pole strength and magnetic only the pole strength, and it is denoted by small letter m. So let me go to now dipole moment. So this can be termed as magnetic dipole moment, and it is denoted by capital M vector. Now in most of the time we don't call this as magnetic dipole moment. We keep this dipole silent and we just say magnetic moment. Okay, so but both the things, both the names are correct. You can also call this as magnetic moment, or you can also call this as magnetic dipole moment. So analogous to this equation, what we can write now is M vector is equal to charge. Instead of charge I have got poles, and poles have got the pole strength, and this is my M into what I should write, the distance between these two poles is my A and A, that is 2 So this is my magnetic dipole moment for a bar magnet. Okay, please remember this is for a bar magnet. Okay, not for any other magnetic material. This is for only the bar magnet. Now, magnetic dipole moment is a vector quantity, so it must have its direction. Okay, so what is the direction? We have talked about direction in electric dipole moment. Similarly, we will also talk about the magnetic direction of magnetic dipole moment and vector. So the direction of dipole moment is from south pole to north pole. So here I will write this M. What is the direction? It is from south pole to north pole. So the direction of dipole moment is from is okay, from where is from? It is from south pole to north pole. So this is how you say the direction of magnetic dipole moment is from south pole to north pole. So this is all about the bar magnet and the magnetic dipole and the dipole moment of bar magnet. So this is the dipole moment of bar magnet. This is dipole moment of bar magnet. Bar magnet. Okay. So in the next lecture, who will consider a circular loop and who will say that that circular loop is as same as the bar magnet, and there also who will going to calculate the dipole moment of circular coil. Thank you.